The International Council on Systems Engineering, INCOSE, develops and disseminates the transdisciplinary principles and practices that enable the realization of successful systems.
System engineering is one of the few disciplines which are transdisciplinary or multidisciplinary, that brings all the different specialities together, that allows people to look from different viewpoints into the issues that we have before us. Whether that's building automobiles, whether that's developing rockets, the combination of those many different disciplines that makes the difference.
INCOSE connects systems engineering professionals with educational networking and career advancement opportunities in the interest of developing the global community of systems engineers and systems approaches to problems.
If you exist within INCOSE, what you have is the ability to connect beyond your corporate bounds, beyond your geographic bounds, beyond your application domain bounds. Learn, if you're an aerospace engineer, learn how automotive tackles it. Learn how biomedical tackles it. What can you take from their practice back to yours? What can you offer to them?
We focus on producing state-of-the-art work products, particularly standards like ISO 15288, that support and enhance the systems engineering visibility and use in the world.
INCOSE can only do anything but support you in building your career in systems. So you will actually meet people who work for different employers, and so you'll get some insight on what opportunities are out there. You also get the access to training material. You can actually use some of the members as mentors. You can bounce ideas off, so it's a number of formal and informal activities.
INCOSE growth is significant. Since forming in 1990, it includes a membership that represents a broad spectrum from student to senior practitioner, from technical engineer to program and corporate management, from science and engineering to business development.
Volunteering for INCOSE allows you to explore different avenues of where you can go in your own career, where you can help in the future of system engineering. And then also it just gives you a community and a network that are interested in similar things that can help guide you and mentor you in your own career. So I think that is one of the true values of volunteering.
Members work together to advance their technical knowledge, exchange ideas with colleagues, and collaborate to advance systems engineering.
You sometimes miss out on the opportunity to mix with like-minded people. If you're based in Europe, you can go to the UK, or you can go to Germany, or if you're in the US, it's just because it's a larger country, there's a lot more things happening that you could attend. So the value I really get out of it is just the network I've built and the relationships that I've built over time.
INCOSE's vision is for a better world through a systems approach. With 18,000 plus members, 75 plus chapters, and 55 plus working groups, supported by 120 plus CAB members. We are a strong council in systems engineering. INCOSE's mission is to address complex societal and technical challenges, enabling, promoting, and advancing systems engineering and systems approaches.
When I pick up the Vision 2025 of INCOSE, I get excited and I get energized because it talks about applying the tools of systems engineering to non-traditional areas outside the military aerospace sector, outside manufacturing, things like public policy, socio-technical systems, lots of areas where systems engineering can bring value.
INCOSE's vision encompasses improving the professional status of all persons engaged in the practice of systems engineering. We aim to encourage governmental and industrial support for research and educational programs that will improve the systems engineering process and its practice.